If you're a creator, a marketer, a designer, or literally anyone who makes visual content, you're probably paying for multiple AI tools right now. Runway is $12 a month. Midjourney is $10. Pika is another subscription. An upscaler, a subtitle tool. It adds up fast. So stop wasting money, because I'm introducing you to WeryAI. An all-in-one creative platform powered by world-class AI models, offering end-to-end AI services for video and image creation, from generation to editing. In this video, we're going to create a product-ready advertisement by putting its features to the test. So, I've already logged into WeryAI, and you can sign up too from its official website. And the best part? You get daily credits to try every single feature before you pay anything. Right from the dashboard, I have access to image generation, video generation, music generation, and even character creation. We'll first start with image generation, then move into video. Here, I have two options here. Generate from a text prompt or from an existing image. Since we're starting from scratch, let's go with text to image. Now here's where it gets really interesting. I'm selecting multi-model mode, which means multiple AI models will work on the same prompt simultaneously. And just look at what WeryAI has integrated. We're talking Wery 2.0, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream, Dreamina, WAN 2.6, and even more. You can see the full list right here on screen. I have selected a few models for this creation. In the prompt box, I type out exactly what I have in mind, describing every detail of my vision. Next, I chose my aspect ratio, and honestly, this part surprised me. WeryAI, I can produce images at up to 4K resolution, which is seriously impressive. I set the number of output images, hit create, and it gets to work. Within just a few minutes, the images are ready. Not only did I get results fast, but with just one tool, I was able to identify the strengths and limitations of each image generation model side by side. From the download options, I can save whichever one looks perfect. To be honest, Nano Banana Pro and WeryAI's own produce the best results for me. Now we have our product image, let's move to the next step. I want to create a poster-style image, something like promoting an influencer alongside a product. For that, I'll use the image-to-image feature, where I upload a reference image of the influencer and another of the product. But writing the perfect prompt from scratch can be frustrating. Well, don't worry. WeryAI completely understands this creator problem and has built a solution right in. They offer a full editing toolkit loaded with both image and video editing tools. On the image side, you can change backgrounds, resize images, swap faces, generate text prompts from images, remove text from images, and so much more. And on the video side, it gets even crazier. You can remove watermarks, swap faces in videos, lip sync characters, convert videos into anime style, remove backgrounds. The list just keeps going. You can see everything right here on screen. But right now, what I need is this. I want to create an image that matches my inspiration. So I'll use prompt inversion. I simply upload my reference image, and just like that, a text prompt is generated for me. No guesswork needed. Now, over in image-to-image mode, I upload the influencer image and the product image. I paste in the generated prompt with a few tweaks to reference the uploaded influencer and product. After that, I adjust the essential settings, hit create, and look at these results. Multiple variations, all high quality, generated in seconds. This one right here, the lighting, the detail on the earbud. This looks like it came from a professional photo studio. Image done. Now let's create a video ad for our earbuds. Here I have three options: video from text, video from image, and video from video. These are literally the best video AI models in the world, like Veo 3.1, Sora 2, Kling, Runway, Hailuo, Pika, and so many more you can see right here on screen. Since we already have our product image ready, image to video is the perfect choice. I can see all the models WeryAI offers, and I'm going with Google Veo 3.1 Fast because it supports audio-video synchronization and ideal for rapid generation with strong visual consistency. I choose the essential settings, enable generate audio, and within seconds, our ad is ready. all from a single image and a text prompt. No studio, no camera, no After Effects. So if you want to stop juggling 6 different AI tools and start creating in one place, WeryAI is the platform I'd recommend right now. The link is in the description below. And don't just stop at images and videos. Explore the AI music and character creation features too. Make something amazing. Create an 8-second product ad using only WeryAI and tag me. I genuinely want to see what you come up with.